Ever wondered if you could pick the best tool to level up your workflow? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the ultimate showdown. LM Studio versus Docker versus Misty. It's like choosing between a power tool, a Swiss Army knife, and a robot that only kind of works. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you're a developer or just someone who likes to play with tech, you've probably seen these names floating around. But which one's actually worth your time and money? Well, stick with me for the next 90 seconds and I'll help you figure that out. Let's start with LM Studio. This thing is a beast for anyone looking for a complete smooth environment to build, test, and deploy software. Imagine if a professional chef used a single knife for everything: chopping, slicing, dicing. That's LM Studio. The learning curve, it's there, but once you get over it, you'll be cooking up projects like a pro. But there's one catch: it's heavy. If you're not into big installations, it might slow you down. Next up, Docker. It's the Swiss Army knife of the bunch. It's super versatile and gets along with pretty much anything you throw at it. Want to run your app in a container and scale it with ease? Docker's got it for you. It's everywhere and for a reason. But here's the kicker: it's not the easiest to set up if you're not already into DevOps. So if you want things to just work, maybe stick with something else. And finally, Misty. Let me tell you, this one's like that robot vacuum that sometimes works perfectly, but other times, yeah, it's just lost. It promises great integration with different services, and when it works, it's smooth. But, and it's a big but, it has some hiccups when handling more complex tasks. So if you're looking for a steady performer, you might want to test it out first. Alright, so which one should you choose? LM Studio is perfect if you want a polished environment. Docker is your go-to for flexibility, and Misty, well, it's got potential but maybe leave it on the shelf for now. Whatever you choose, make sure it's the right fit for your workflow. And remember, there's no one size fits all in tech, so don't just follow the hype. So there you have it. Your pick, let me know in the comments below, and if you want to see more reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Catch you next time.